Himachal rains. The IMD issued an orange warning of heavy to very heavy rain in isolated parts of the state on Monday and yellow alert of heavy rains in the state till August 31st. There were also reports of the season's first snowfall at Shipkila in higher reaches of Lahal and Spiti district. Schools have been closed in 8 districts of Himachal Pradesh as heavy rains disrupted normal life in the state. Because of heavy rains, 685 roads, including 3 national highways, remained closed for traffic. In the meantime, the local meteorological office sounded a red alert predicting intense spells of rain at isolated places in Kangra and Chamba districts on Monday and asked people to stay cautious. The IMD also issued an orange warning of heavy to very heavy rain in isolated parts of the state on Monday and yellow alert of heavy rains in the state till August 31st. There were also reports of the season's first snowfall at Shipkila in higher reaches of Lahal and Spiti district. In view of the rains and landslides, the Manamahesh Yatra has been suspended, Additional District Magistrate ADM, Barmore, Kuldeep Singh Rana told PTI. The yatra started on August 17th and will conclude on September 15 in Kangra district. There were reports of Ward Number 1 and 2 being submerged in water and vehicles floating in water while water entered a Tahsil office in Hamirpur after heavy downpour. A house in Tutakandi area of Shimla district was endangered after the retaining wall of the house caved in. All government and private education institutions, including schools and colleges, except the residential ones, were shut in Bilaspur, Hamirpur, Mandi, Kangra, Kullu, Chamba, Huna, and Solan districts in view of the alert of heavy rainfall, officials said. Due to the heavy rainfall over the past 2 days, several roads in various villages have been blocked, causing significant disruption to connectivity. As a precautionary measures, all government and private educational, technical institutions, colleges, universities and Anganwadi except residential institutions would remain closed on Monday, the order issued by the Deputy Commissioner, Kangra, Hemraj Barwa said. Alert on heavy rain has been issued by the Met Department for Monday, indicating the potential risk of landslides, flash floods, uprooting of trees, road blockages, and other related hazards, which may pose a serious threat to life, property, and public safety, the order said. Similar orders were also issued by the other 7 district administrations. Heavy to very heavy rains lashed several parts of the state since Sunday evening, with Kahu in Bilaspur district receiving 190.5 millimeters of rain, Jat 159.2 millimeters, Berthan 156.4 millimeters, Naina Devi 148.4 millimeters, Gugas 148 millimeters, Bilaspur 140.8 millimeters, Badiat 140.2, Malrayan 120 millimeters, AMB 111 millimeters, Agar 110.6 millimeters, and Bangana 104 millimeters. With inputs fro.